was there. It's not so. So, can you give me examples of some problems? If you put someone down, you say sorry. Good. If you put someone down, you tell them you sorry. It's not so. But if you throw down somebody, you say sorry. Just like that, in mathematics, there are also problems and there are also solutions for it. Or when we have a problem in mathematics, there are also ways for us to solve these problems. So I want you to look carefully at the video that I'll be showing here, right? And then is when you are going to tell me what you think of this video. Listen.
Addition word problems. Arvind has 4 apples and Anshu has 5 apples. How many apples do they have together?
Good.
Arvind has 4 apples. Anshu has 5 apples. When you add them together, they have.
Alright, so they're talking about Arvind, the name of a boy. How many apples Arvind has? 4 apples. Show me 4 fingers. And they're saying Anshu, which is the name of a girl, has 5 apples. Show me 5 fingers. And the next hand, show me 5 fingers. So we have 4 and we have 5. If we are to put them together, what do you think we're doing? We're adding, or another word for adding is what? Addition. Or what do you think we're doing to get the answers? We're counting them. What are we doing? So count them together. Count them together. How many apples do you think they have in all? Let's see if they're correct.
4 plus 5, 9 apples.
Do you agree with that? 4 plus 5 gives you 9?
Example 2.
Good, let's go again.
Rohit has 12 cupcakes. Preeti has 18 cupcakes. How many cupcakes do both of them have together?
Okay.
Rohit has 12 cupcakes.
Do you see 12 cupcakes
And
there?
Anjali has 18 cupcakes.
Anjali has 18 cupcakes.
Together, they have 12 plus 18 cupcakes.
That gives you how much?
How do you add 12 and 18? Add the ones please. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. With the 1 carry over, we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. And that gives you 3 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. That is 30.
How many
Together,
cupcakes do they have in
Rohit
all?
and Anjali have 30 cupcakes.
30 cupcakes, right?
If you had 4 glass bottles and 2 plastic bottles, how many bottles are there altogether?
Good. So if you have 4 bottles, get 4 counters for me in front of you. Put it in the middle of the thing. Put it in the middle. You have 4 bottles, and then you have 2 more. 4 bottles, and you have 2 more. How many will you have all together? Just 4 bottles, and then put 2 more. Count them up for me now. Quietly. How many will you have all together? So we can safely say 4 plus 2 gives you 4 plus 2 gives you 4 plus 2 gives you. Good. Listen up.
If you have 4 boiled eggs and 3 fried eggs,
4 boiled eggs, put 4 now and 3. 4 and 3. 4 and 3. In turn, you will tell me how many you have. 4 and 3.
dogs and 2 portions of chips.
7 hot
You
dogs.
have altogether.
How many of you like hot dogs? So you have 7 hot dogs. Put 7 counters. And put 2 more. How many do you have in all? 9. You have how many now? Good. Do you see 9 hot dogs on the... Do you see 9 sets of food on the screen here? Do you see that? Everybody? Now, this is what we will do now. I have a little sum for you on the board. So I want you to look carefully on the board and somebody is going to stand and read it for me. Let me see those who are, somebody that is brave enough and stand and read it for me. Alright, look here. I want everybody to read this for me. There are 4 butterflies. Read this for me. There are 4 butterflies. 4 more butterflies come. Read it again. 4 more butterflies come. How many are there now? So everybody sit back. Sit back. Look at this board. Jaden, are you listening to me? Look at the board. Read for me now. There are 4 butterflies. 4 more butterflies come. How many are there now? Now, suppose there are 4 butterflies in a tree. Show me 4 fingers. 4 butterflies in a tree. How many more came? 4 more. Right? So 4 was sitting on a tree and 4 more come. How many think came out? How do we get our answer? We put our fingers together. How what do? We count them up. Do you agree with that? Do you agree with that? So we can say 4 plus 4 gives you 4 plus 4 gives you 4 plus 4 gives you 4 plus 4 gives you. So if we are to put 4 and 4 together, how many do we have? How many do we have? 8. So I am going to be giving you some worksheet now. I am going. Look at the first one. Read the first one for me. Minnie ate 6 ice cream. Say that. So you put 6 in the first box for me. Put the number 6. Sam ate 2 ice cream. How many Sam ate? 2 ice creams. So put 2 in the next box. Good. So I want you to draw 6 things and 2 things and count them up for me. Draw 6 things on the first box. And then 2 on the next box. Count them together now. How many do you have in all? Do you know to write the number 8? Good. Write the number 8. Very good. Let's look at the next one. Martin plucked 4 apples. How many apples Martin plucked? So write 4 in the first box. So draw 4 apples for me over the box. 4 apples. Okay, everybody done that? And then it says, later he plucked 5 more. How many more he plucked later? So put 5 in the next box. Draw 5 apples. But count them together now and put in your answer. So we can say 4 plus 5 gives you 9. Do the next one for me. No, right. over here. Now we are going to be looking at number 1. Everybody point to number 1. It says there are 4 butterflies. How many butterflies? 4. So look at over this side now. Everybody look here. You see over this side? I want you to draw 4 butterflies for me. Quickly. Draw 4 butterflies. Come Sophie, take your pens over here. Draw 4 butterflies. 4 butterflies. Quickly. Good. And the next one says 4 more come. So draw 4 more. Draw 4 more butterflies right here. Right at the top there, Ravin. So you draw 4 more. It says, look at the first one. Peg bought 3 gifts. Yeah, see 3 gifts at the top? And it says Meg got 4 gifts for her birthday. So I want you to count how many gifts you see there in all at the top. How many birthday gifts do you see there at the top? Where's your free boy? Where's your own? Good. How many do you have in all, Liam? How many gifts in all do you have? 7. 7 writes the other way around. Erase that. Good. The next one says, I have 5 books. Do you see 5 books at the top there? Yeah. And then it says, I buy 2 more books. So how many books do you think I buy in all? 7. Good. So you put 7 there. Other way around, you write 7. Good. You count the hats them now and put your answer. Count the cards and put in your answer. Liam, do you hear what do you do? Okay. Alright. Now I said you draw 4 more butterflies there. How many butterflies do you have in all, Enchan? How many butterflies do you have in all? So erase that and put 8 as your answer. 8 is your answer. Do you have 8, Ravin? Let me see what you did. And if you look carefully, you will see the number 8 right over your head here. What here? Look here. Enchan at the top. Enchan, where is it?
Right there.
You see the number 8? Everybody see it? Good. Now let's do the next one. I have 6. 6 what? What is that fruit? Anybody